Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this green shirt, and it came packed ridiculously thin, air compressed, whatever it's called, vacuum sealed, that's it. So let's see what it looks like when we take it out of here. It's already starting to puff up. And this is, oh, that's some paper there. This is what it looks like here. So it's a nice green color shirt with the button up, and it's very soft and size large. So let me try this thing on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here we go. So there, and now I have it on. It's a nice looking shirt, isn't it? And it's got a little pocket up here. Not sure I ever put anything in a pocket, but it's a good looking shirt. I'm backed up here a second. You guys, I'm wearing some shorts, but you can see for a large of about 185 pounds so this morning. So this is kind of what it looks like. Sorry, it's not aimed exactly right, but you can see it's got a good fit to it, and I like the way it has these little bands here. I think I'll be wearing this probably next time I go out somewhere that I want to be halfway decently dressed. So I like it. Thumbs up.